I'm gonna do a 10-year review over my Toyota Tundra. I love this truck. I haven't had no problems with it, just minor problems. As you see, I have an auto start. As you see, the weather is pretty cold out here. You see, I auto started my vehicle. And I'm in Houston right now. But I'm gonna get inside my truck and explain some things to you. Right here, I'm gonna show you how many miles I have on it. I have 219,855 miles. The only thing I had to do on this truck was change the water pump, and I also had to change the radiator, and the biggest job that was done on this was the heater coil. I have a video showing what had to be done on that, and had to actually take the whole dash out. But as far as this truck, I will always own a Toyota. The next truck I will get, it would be a Toyota dually, but I can't justify getting anything because this truck works perfectly. Everything in it works. May have to change a couple of batteries. No major problems with the transmission or motors or anything. So I would recommend to get a Toyota Tundra. And I really like this auto start, especially in this cold weather, where you can start the vehicle, and when you get ready to go, everything would be defrost, the windshield. And also it have like a 48-hour start feature on this remote here, to where I can program it to where it will start every 3 hours, and it'll stay on for 15 minutes, and it would do this for the next 48 hours. So if you're in extreme cold weather and you need the vehicle to continue to cycle start on and off every 3 hours, this is the remote you need to get. But no other problems with this Tundra. So my wife keeps trying to tell me get a new vehicle. I just can't justify doing it because this vehicle is awesome. So this is a 10-year view. This is my 2007 Toyota Tundra. So it's 2018. So really it's a 11-year review. So I would recommend Toyota Tundras. And whenever they come out with the dually, if anybody has some comments, let me know when they're coming out with the Toyota dually so I can get one. All right, thank you and have a great day.